this apron Patrick's wearing. It is for Instagram on my phone and
YouTube in front of me.
Let's go.
So this apron is going out to Todd from Missouri. Todd is 6'4", 3XL. I wear a large apron, and we could easily accommodate Todd's request for his apron. Todd is a woodworker, and one of the things that's interesting about Todd's apron is the fact that he requested miscellaneous pockets. And what I mean by that is his tool set changes all the time, so he didn't want a specific shaped pocket for, say, a square or a block plane. He opted for pockets that were just different varying sizes that were pretty much rectangular shape on each side.
So it could be multi-purpose?
Yes, multi-purpose for whatever tool set he needs, block plane, things like that. So why don't we start up here at the top.
Zoom in up here.
And if you notice, Todd's apron is two-tone, right, Michelle?
It is. Two-tone means he chose one body color and different color pockets. And whenever you choose that option, I am going to swap out the thread with the opposite color. That way it has some really cool contrasting and detail.
Yes.
Really makes the whole apron pop. A little bit of personality.
Absolutely. So real quick up top, Todd has a cell phone pocket, Sharpie, pencils, things like that. You're going to always need those when you're in the wood shop. Right below there, you notice he's got our famous magnet for drill bits or just screw bits, Torx bits, things like that. On his right side, of course, we got a tape measure and a rag ring or a glue ring here. And on the side of his apron, I'll bring you in closer here in a minute, he has just some miscellaneous pockets. We've put in them right now a little scratch pad and a foldable tape.
Yeah, I think he was wanting a folding knife in there and possibly some wrenches. Swap it out for whatever he has in the shop.
And right here in the center, he's got our round bottom pocket. This is a design that Michelle came up with, and it has a round bottom on it for a very good reason. So in the chance that you do get dust in it, you can just use your hand and swipe it out, or better yet, I put the air hose in it and I close off the majority of the opening and I hit the trigger and the dust comes out and just shoots out. In the little pocket up front, I keep dominoes or screws or dowels or buttons, any kind of hardware that I'm using for assembly. The hand pocket, a lot of times I'll put my cell phone in there, or I will keep anything that I need at the time. On Todd's left side, he has a hammer or a leather loop, and the leather loop could be, as you see here, for a soft blow mallet or channel locks or pliers or things like that that he said that he uses all the time. And he has a large pocket here, and we put pliers in it right now for whatever miscellaneous tool that he needs.
I wanted to zoom in on the really cool detail of the leather. There are, we'll take some still pictures for you too. There's really beautiful growth wrinkles on this apron. It is in the brown and it is also in the black. It is just beautiful. There's a couple little barbed wire scratches on there. Beautiful leather.
So Todd, this is going out to you. Hope you enjoy it.